Imagine having a crystal ball that predicts market movements with uncanny accuracy. Sounds too good to be true, right? But what if I told you there's a way to tap into this power using the timeless art of candlestick patterns, backed by data, and proven to work in today's fast-paced markets? Candlestick patterns have been a cornerstone of technical analysis for centuries, but many traders are still skeptical about their effectiveness. That's because most traders focus on individual patterns without considering their context or the rules that make them reliable. But what if I showed you a strategy that combines specific candlestick patterns with strict entry and exit rules, resulting in a profit factor of 2.5 and a win rate of 65% in backtesting? Meet the Three Black Crows reversal strategy, a game changer in the world of candlestick patterns. This strategy focuses on a classic bearish reversal pattern, where 3 consecutive black candles form a line in the sand, signaling a potential reversal. But here's